Have you ever been in a deep sleep and woke up hungry? Man, I just did. Just made me this snack with tuna, chicken by the sea, panda salt, and this old school mayo. Came up with this snack. Good night, y'all. Sip Productions.